This tutorial will cover the seating chart feature. To access the seating chart, tap the chair icon to the left of the class name. The first time you come here, any students will be all placed on top of each other near the top of the screen. Before getting started, it is best to design a seating chart layout. To do this, tap the pencil icon on the top row. This will take you to the template. You can set up to 2 templates for the app. So if you teach in 2 different classrooms or have a different setup like a lab or rearrange your seats for another setup, you can set up both. This is set for template 1 right now. The first thing to do is select the total number of seats in your class. Tap the 0. I'm going to select 20. The total number of seats depend on the device you use. The smaller device like the iPhone 4S or 5 can hold less seats than an iPhone 6, 6 Plus, or iPad. If you plan to sync between different devices, design your seating chart on your smallest device, so that way it'll be available for all devices. You can now drag seats by simply tapping and dragging and design your layout. I won't spend too much time on this, but basically the numbers here represent the way the seats will be filled if you choose to do the random ordering back on the seating chart. So go ahead and move the seats the way you want them. To remove a seat, simply tap on any seat and you have the option to remove. If you need additional seats, you can add the +1 seat on the top right. Tap on template to switch to the second template, and again to go back. Once you've designed your templates, tap on the back arrow. Now, to show your template, tap the setting icon and you can display the template. So here, I'm going to choose template 1 and it'll show you the background with the templates. You have a number of ways to seat a student. The first is just tap and drag a student and you can place them anywhere on the screen. Secondly, you can tap on any empty seat and then tap a student name and they'll be moved directly to the seating area there. Lastly, at the top row, you can tap on the refresh icon, which is the circle with an arrow, and choose random order, and that'll seat all the students there in the random order. And then you can still go ahead and move students manually if you want. All right. The seating chart can show grades, attendance, or nothing. So at the top, near the top there, you have none, which if I tap will just show you the student name. You can tap on the check icon, which will show attendance. To change attendance, simply tap any icon, and you can change a student attendance that way. You can also long press, and it'll cycle through present, absence, and tardy. For the grades, you tap on the A+ icon. It'll select the most recent grade. Below there, you have the item, which is test number 1. If I tap test number 1, a list of the assignments appear, and you can change between assignments. And again, to change a grade, simply tap a student, and you can edit the grade. You can also long press for about a second on any student, and you have the option of setting the assignment to be absent, missing, or exempt. And lastly, once you've designed your template, you may want to lock or design your seating chart. You can tap the lock icon in green near the top, and that'll now lock all your seats so you can't accidentally move any of the students when you're assigning grades. And lastly, sometimes a student may veer off the screen when moving them. Simply go back to the main grade screen and go back to seating chart, and the student will appear back on the top. So don't worry about that. And enjoy using the seating chart. Thank you.